Welcome back. Today is the third part of the drainage system videos in which we will talk about pipe routing preferences. I have started the method of making drainage system in Revit. I have divided the videos of drainage system in 5 parts. In the first part, I told you how to create a model and how to make a pipe type and system type in drainage system. The second video was about the pipe segment and the pipe size catalog. Today in the third part, we will talk about pipe routing preferences. In the next fourth video, we will be able to draw a drainage system practically. And in the fifth part, we will talk about different types of pipe tags. You will also find links to all these videos in the description below. First of all, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. New friends can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new videos. Don't forget to like and share. So, let's start talking about the third part regarding pipe routing preferences. Friends who have not practiced part 1 and part 2 should practice it first. These links are given in the description below. Open the model of the rest of part 2 from where we slept and winded it. While draw pipes, we need some pipe fittings in specific sizes, for example, elbow, T, cross, flange and end cap, etc. The settings of these fittings are called routing preferences. To do this, select Type Properties by right-clicking on the pipe type and edit the routing preferences in the segments and fittings. First of all, we load the pipe segment soil PVC which we made in previous video. Verify all fittings PVC Schedule 40 DWV. If the fittings are other than that, go to the load family, libraries, US metric, pipe, fittings, PVC, Schedule 40, socket type, DWV, and for the soil and vent system, take all fittings from this folder. There will be only one fitting difference in the soil and vent system. MT reducing sanitary will be used for soil system and MT reducing vent is for the vent system. The number of pipe size that will be made in the pipe catalog will be appearing in this list. The first column is about to minimum size and the second column is about to maximum size. The more we set the pipe range, the more will be available in options bar. If we have made a pipe size of 50 mm in the pipe catalog and did not set it between the minimum and the maximum range, then that size will be not available in the model. If we select all in minimum column, then all catalog sizes will be available, and there is no need to give a maximum size. OK it and let's draw a pipe. Material appears in realistic mode, so select realistic in visual style. Instead of potable water pipes, sanitary pipes are always drawn in slope. So after selecting the pipe tool, you have to select the slope down in the sloped piping panel, and you have to set the slope value. Potable water and fire water pipe lines are pressure lines, so we have to keep the slope off. For sanitary pipes, you can set the slope up or down and set the slope percentage. Draw a pipe. If you want to draw a pipe as well as see the pipe offset and slope percentage, press the Show Slope tooltip. This tool shows the pipe start offset, current offset, and slope percentage. Now we attach an elbow to the pipe. Sanitary pipe always installed with the other pipe at 45 degree. Otherwise the pipe will be blocked by solid waste. Select the pipe tool and attach it to the main pipe. This will give an error because the sanitary pipe is in the slope and its elevation will continue change. To apply it, select the pipe tool and press the Inherit Elevation tool. It will automatically draw the pipe by selecting the branch pipe elevation according to the main pipe elevation. Now you are installing the reverse pipe, so you have to select the pipe slope up. It is very important to keep the pipe slope position up or down. Otherwise, your system will not be designed properly. Select Pipe tool and draw a pipe. This system elbow is of PVC material, but to keep the same color, we will duplicate this elbow and apply the same color to it. Select elbow and go to Edit Family. Whatever you do, never do it in the original family. You always have to create a new family by save as it and then edit it. Save as this elbow family and assign a name soil. Let's save this family somewhere in the system. Set view style realistic for material appearance. Elbow material we can assign in the same way as we did in pipe segment, or we can also import the soil material what we did in the model. To do this, select the Transfer Project Standards tool in the Manage tab. Above you have to select the file from which you want to transfer elements to this file. The checkbox selection below will select the elements category you want to import. All elements categories will be selected from Check All, and all elements category will be deselected from Check None. We have to transfer the material, so we have to check the material checkbox. Press OK. Now select the family objects and then select Material button in Properties palette. And apply soil material from Material Browser. Use Load into Project tool to load this family into the project. Now the family is loaded in this project. We draw this pipe again. Soil elbow has been included in this project, but has not yet been included in this system. This is because it will not appear in the system unless we set it in the routing preferences. To do this, go back to the routing preferences in the pipe type and set the elbow. We try to draw the system again. Now the elbow is showing in the system, but to heal the system we have already drawn. Select elbow and change it with Properties type selector. In the same way, we will add T in the system. You look at the whole procedure again. Now go to the Edit family and make a new family by Save As. Same like what we did before with elbow. Copy the material using the Transfer Project Standards in the Manage tab. And after applying the material, load this family into project. This T is to be selected in routing preferences. duplicating the rest of the fittings in the same way and adding them to the routing preferences will make your soil system ready. When you've done all the routing preferences settings, then you have to duplicate it in pipe type and piping system and assign a name waste pipe. Duplicate the soil material in the material library and get a new material as with the name of waste. Assign it a color magenta and apply it in the waste pipe segment. The waste piping system will be ready. By duplicating the pipe type will also copies the routing preferences. We will not have to repeat the waste pipe routing settings that we have done in the soil pipe. After creating the waste pipe, only change the line graphics color magenta in type properties of piping system so that pipe edge color looks different in system. And by duplicating waste pipe fittings, apply the waste material from library. Also make all fittings of vent pipe by the same way. The method as I already told you. Soil and waste pipe are drawn in slope. Instead, the vent pipe is not drawn in slope because the solid and liquid waste is traveling at the bottom level inside the soil and waste pipe. And the purpose of the vent pipe is to throw bad smell outside of the building. Vent pipe is never installed on the bottom, right or left side of a sanitary pipe as waste may block the pipe. Therefore, vent pipe is always installed on the top side of the sanitary pipe. Save this file. In the next video, we will practically draw a drainage system. So wait for next video. Hope you understand routing preferences. Stay tuned for more educational videos. BIM Talks.